Jvzoo Affiliate Marketing 2022, how to promote Jvzoo products. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can promote Jvzoo Affiliate Marketing products and how you can actually sign up to the Jvzoo platform. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing you're going to do is go on to Jvzoo and you're just going to click on Start for Free over here at the top right. And now we're just going to create our account on Jvzoo. So I'm just going to do that and fill out all of my details. Now, once you have done that, this is going to be your basic dashboard. Now, on your dashboard, you can see you have your navigation panel, and you can see on products over here, you have your launch calendar, you have top sellers and featured products. So what you're going to do is you can go into the top sellers section, and then you can see the top selling affiliate marketing product. So you're just going to browse and find different affiliates. So you can see that you have the top sellers for per day, and then you have weekly top sellers and monthly top sellers as well. And then you can even go on to the actual featured product section to see different products that have been featured by Jvzoo as a good deal. So you can pick out any of the products that you want. Now, what you're going to do once you actually have your product. So let's say we go into the top seller section and we pick out a product. Now, what you're going to do is, let's say you like this one, and you're just going to click on affiliate details over here. And then this will open up a new tab regarding all of the details of your actual affiliate. So you can see this is the sale price, this is the commission rate, this is the vendor, and this is the overall sales funnel. Now you can see that you have a permission slip for certain of some of these affiliate products, but some of them don't have permissions where you're gonna get a direct link. So once you have picked out the product, how do you actually get to promoting the product and getting clicks and getting sales on this product? Because everyone can just become an affiliate marketer, but to actually be making money, you're gonna have a good amount of clicks on your product. Well, there are many ways you can actually start getting more clicks for free using these different social media methods and social media platforms. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to go on to Medium.com, and Medium.com is a blog post site where you can post different articles. And I would recommend that if you're using any kind of platform for affiliate marketing, then use Medium.com to promote it. So you're just going to sign up with your email account, and once you have signed up, you can just click on Write a Story over here. And then you can write a story regarding the product that you're promoting. So it could be any kind of story. You can make up anything you want, and you can talk about how good this product is or how useful it is. And then you can add your affiliate link at the bottom of your article. And this is so easy and simple, and it gives you a large audience to market your article and your product too. So this will keep it simple, and you won't have to put in any extra effort for your product promotion as well, because signing up on Medium.com is pretty simple as well. The other thing you can do to promote your affiliate marketing product that you have picked out on Jvzoo is that you can go onto Pinterest and create a pin for the product. So what you're going to do is you're just going to go onto Pinterest.com, and then you're going to sign up using your Google or Facebook account. Now, I do have the business version for Pinterest, and you can actually create a business account for Pinterest if you want, but if you have a regular account, that's fine as well. And then you're just going to click on Create Pin over here. You're going to click on Create Pin. And you can create different sections and boards over here as well. So I've categorized different sections. So I have a weight loss, and then I have affiliates board. And then you can just click on create board, and you can be like a Jvzoo. And this is just for personal categorization if you want. But if you don't, you can actually make like public boards as well. So you can just create a new like board called like My Tips and Tricks, and you can add all of your affiliates over there where people will find that these are your personally experienced products, and they will be more likely to purchase the products from your affiliate link. So what you're going to do is like add a caption depending on what kind of affiliate you have. So it is like a video reel bundle, or let's say we have a most of these are services, but depending on what kind of service or product is, you're gonna add like video editing made easy or something like that. And then you can add like a description. You're going to add an image for your product. You can, if it doesn't have any of its own images, you can use one from Vecteezy. Vecteezy is an online platform where you can get royalty-free images as well. So you can just head on over to Vecteezy to find your royalty-free image. And then what you're going to do is you're going to add the destination link, which is going to be your affiliate link. So you're just going to click on over here, get approved for a affiliate link, and then you're just going to copy and paste the affiliate link over here in the destination link, and then you're just going to publish your article. And that is how easy it is to promote on Pinterest as well. So these are the basic two platforms. Now after this, I would recommend that you should actually promote your product or service on Facebook. Now the way to do that is you're just going to go on to facebook.com, and I'm just going to run with the assumption that you do have a Facebook account. If you don't, you can sign up with Gmail. And what you're going to do is you're going to go on to your actual affiliates. You can see the different affiliates that are available. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to browse the affiliates again. And what you can do is pick out the kind of affiliate that you want. So we're just going to go on and browse some more affiliates, not our affiliates, but I'm just going to click on find products over here in the affiliate section to see different products. And what I'm going to do is I can just browse around, and let's say I have a VideoPal. So this is like a service or like a product or something related to video editing or something like that. So it's VideoPal. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on to Facebook, and I'm going to search for video editing. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into groups. So I'm not going to go into all, I'm just going to filter out groups. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to join all of these groups. So I can just join this group. I'm going to join this one. And once I have joined these groups, what I'm going to do is I'm going to talk about how I learned video editing from this little product or this little software, whatever it might be. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to like write something along the lines of like, I've been video editing for this long, and I've been using this product, and I found this really helpful. So I'm just going to write something along those lines. And once I have done that, I'm just going to publish this with my affiliate link. So make sure you're adding your own affiliate link at the bottom. You don't just want to end up promoting the product without having your actual affiliate link plugged in. So I would just add my affiliate link, and I would do this in multiple groups, and this helps you get the target audience because these people are already interested in video editing. So after these people actually view your post, they will be more interested in purchasing the product that you're recommending because they're gonna see that this is like a real person promoting a real product. It isn't some kind of bot, or it's not just like an influencer pushing a certain product. So this is how easy it is to promote your Jvzoo affiliate marketing product, and how easy it is to get started on Jvzoo. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and you are now able to create your own Jvzoo account, find your products, and start promoting them with the different social media platforms that I showed you guys today. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and comment down below the best tips and tricks that I have taught you within this video. And make sure to also share this video with your friends and family, and to other creators as well, so you can help them out as well, and to anyone that might need to know this basic detailed platform and how you navigate through these different social websites. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything, and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.